Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how to move images on Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are in Premiere. So we have our clip right here and we have our image. So we will be using this as an example. And basically you can do this with also videos, not just pictures right here. You can also move videos right here using this method. So basically, and we would want to move this arrow from from left to right here. So we're just going to rotate that. So let's rotate it first into 180 right here so that it'll be flipped right there. So we will be making this arrow move from left to right here as it goes right there. And now all we have to do to make this move is go into motion right here. First, let's go and go to the initial position that we want our arrow to move. So at first one, we don't want it to be visible. So this is just an example. Of course, you can do whatever you want using this method where you might want to position it. So first of all, you want to make sure that your playhead right here is at the beginning point at which you want the animation to start. So in my case, I want my animation to start at the beginning. So I'm going to place it at the beginning of the clip right here. And I'm going to go click on position right here. And I'm going to go to where the end point of the animation is. So I want to add the animation at this point, also at the end of the video. And I want the value of position or the arrow to be right here when it reaches the end of the clip or the video. So when I play it, it would now look like this right here. As you can see, it is slowly moving to the right as it approaches the end value that we have set here. So yeah, that is basically how keyframes work and how you can make your arrow move just like that. Or you can just also do it like this. So let's say we want our arrow to start here and we want it to be bigger as it goes on by this position right here. So I forgot to set the scale. If I want it bigger, I also want to set the beginning point of the scale. And then right here, I want it to be this big. And it will be at this position right here, at that position right there. And when I play it, it will now be like this. It is slowly getting bigger as it goes to that end point right there. Or we can also add some to make our movements smoother. Then we can also do this right here. So you want to select all the keyframes that you have right here. So let's just expand this so that we can see right here. Let's just expand right there. So from here, we want to select all of them by holding shift and selecting your keyframes right here. And then you want to right click on your keyframes. And then you can go for temporal interpolation. We can go for auto bezier, and as you can see, it's much smoother now with the movement, and just like that. And yeah, as you can see, you can go for other temporal interpolation so that it would be much more smoother right here. Let's try ease in. As you can see, it's a subtle change, but it's very effective right there. And we can go for continuous bezier, and it's like this. So that is basically how you do it in Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.